Flat roofs for commercial building. When we say no roofing project we cannot handle, we meant it. For your commercial and industrial property, we can extend our service with these huge buildings. As business owners, we understand how tough it is to find contractors that work with all sorts of projects. Flat roofs are generally used and best fit for large buildings such as commercial and industrial. Because flat roofs are the most effective roofing system when it comes to storing a large group of air conditioning and water tanks. Apart from this, a flat roof can last up to 30 years with minimal maintenance. But if you're a business owner that is willing to invest much more in a flat roof, you can decide to purchase less aesthetic but more durable material. Finding qualified and licensed roofing contractors. It is tough to trust contractors nowadays, especially if their services are quite cheap compared to others. Contractors are common after a rainstorm, offering cheap and low-cost services. But how can you determine if they are qualified and licensed experts? When it comes to roof issues, it is best to hire contractors that are known for delivering quality works. Hiring reliable roofers will give you peace of mind that all of the work is done professionally and accurately. You don't need to worry about the mishap and trouble you need to face when you fix your roof by yourself. Apart from this, a professional roofer is known for providing a warranty. Insurance is another reason why some homeowners and business owners choose to hire experts, because they provide a warranty to their clients. You will know that you're hiring the right contractor if the company provides a warranty to its clients. This will make sure that all of their services and works provided are covered with sufficient insurance. In case of accidents, at Boise Roofers, our team is guaranteed, insured, and licensed. We have an established company and a good reputation. We don't want to give headaches to our clients by making sure we own the proper coverage before we offer our services.